how to connect Zammad with n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Zammad with n8n. So in a very easy and quick way. Once it is connected, you will be able to automate tasks like creating or updating tickets, synchronizing customer data or sending alerts and much more, all without writing single line of code. And before we begin, here is what you will need. First is Zammad account. Second in is n8n, and third, which you have to have, is API or token. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is create an account here in Zammad. I okay. Now, what you have to do next is click on this plus icon, search for Zammad node. As you can see here, we have this Zammad node. Click on it. Now, over here, you have to choose action or the triggered. I will choose action. Now over here, you have to set up your credential. Now click on this box and it will something open like this. Click on this create new credential. You will get two types of credential setting up. First is basic auth and token auth. We will use first token auth, then we will go for basic auth. Now choose token auth. Into token auth, you will need base URL and the access token. How you are going to do that? How you going to access that is go to Zammad. So when you create a new account, something will look like this. This is your dashboard of Zammad. Now left click on this profile button in the bottom. Click on the profile and go to your token access. Now, as you can see, I have already created a token. So I will delete this token and create new one. Just simply click on this create new button. And now you have to enter the name of your personal access token. So I will give this as a connection. Now you have to set up a expiry date. So when this date arrive, it will expire this personal access token. Now over here, you have to set up the scopes or you have to give access. So I will give everything which are the necessary. Click on the avatar, calendar, device, language, link, account, notification, out of office, and click on this create button. As you can see here, we got our personal access token. Just copy and okay, I have click on this. Okay, I have copied my token. Before that, you have to paste and copy this base URL. Make sure you copy this much of for the base URL. And now click on this save button. Now, as you can see, our connection tested successfully. Let's execute our node. So this is our credential to connect with Zammad Basic Auth Account 2. Now you have to choose a resource, group, organization, ticket. I will choose group. Now choose the operation. We have to create a group, give a group name. So group 1. And now let's execute this step. Now, as you can see here, node has executed successfully. If you go into Zammad, go to dashboard. So the group 1 has been created successfully just now. So let's move to second auth. Click on this create new auth. Choose basic auth. Now over here, you have to enter the basic auth. Sorry, you have to enter the base URL. So just copy this base URL and enter your email address, which you have created using your account of Zammad. So I have used this email address. So I will copy this one and I will enter the password and then click on this save. So as you can see, the second method also is connected successfully. Now let's create another group. Let's give a group number 2. Now select the Zammad basic auth account 3 and click on this execute step. Now as you can see, node has executed successfully. Let's go back to our dashboard. Now in the right side, you will see in the activity stream, we have created a group 2 using n8n. So this is how you can connect Zammad to n8n in a very simple step. If you found this video tutorial helpful, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.